Welcome back to my channel everyone. So in this video, I will teach you how to create a pattern out of a weaving yardage using Adobe Photoshop. It's very simple and easy. So let's get going. Now this is one of the samples created by one of my students through a hand loom, through a weaving process. It's a sample yardage. Now it has been scanned on 300 dpi already through a professional scanner, and I have already enhanced its colors. The reason is when you scan a fabric, the colors are very dull. So you need to enhance its colors, which I will show you in another video. Right now, let's make a pattern out of it. So the first step I'm going to do is I'll press Ctrl A, Ctrl C, and I'm going to press Ctrl N, which is opening a new document. I'll press Create and I'll paste this pattern in that document. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to extend my canvas. I'm going to double the height of my canvas size. So I'll go to Image, I'll go to Canvas Size, and I'll press this arrow because I want more space on the top. So right now my height is like 3.97, almost 4 inches. So I'm going to keep it 8 inches if I want to double it. I'll press OK. Now this is the double of the canvas size. Now I'll press Ctrl 0 to fit screen. And then simply I'm going to make a copy of this by pressing Alt and move it up like this. Right? So now there is a slight error. You can see a thin line. If you zoom in, you see there's a thin line. You can fix this by using arrow keys and moving its position. But the more you move it, you still see it. So what you need to do is you need to mirror this design vertically so it looks continuous. For that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Edit, Transform, and flip vertical. Now if I flip it vertical, it will give me a mirror look and it will minimize that error which I was seeing earlier. Now what you need to do is you need to get rid of this white area, which is excess area. So I'm going to simply go there on top by zooming in, and I will press C on my keyboard, which is crop, or you can get the crop tool from here like this. And you simply drag this down where your design ends and just press enter on your keyboard. So now you get rid of those that white space. So now this becomes your pattern or a simple motif which you want to repeat multiple times. But before I do that, I need to merge these layers. So I'm going to press Ctrl, keep pressing Ctrl on my keyboard, select both the layers, and press Ctrl E, which is shortcut to merge both the layers. Now I'm going to get rid of this background layer, right? Now is the step which you define this as a pattern. So I'll go to Edit, I'll go to Define Pattern, and I'll name it as Pattern Weave, right? Just press OK. So your pattern is defined. Where can you see your pattern? You should go to Windows and click on your patterns. So you see at the bottom, this is your pattern, right? But this is just one repeat of that pattern. You need to repeat it multiple times in order to get the look, right? For that, I will open a new document. I will go to File, New, and let's say I open a document of around maybe A4 size or A3 size, okay, and just press OK. So this is your new document, right? Here I want to fill my pattern with multiple times, repeat it multiple times. So I will unlock this layer first, and I'll simply press Ctrl A, and the pattern is here. Right now this pattern is repeated multiple times. You can see 1, 2, 3. It has been most probably repeated 3 times. You can change its scale and everything by just double clicking on this, and you see you have a scale here. So you can reduce its scale like this, however you want to look, or maybe increase its scale, but obviously you don't want to increase its scale. Like you want this stripe look, you want to create an entire digital yardage out of it or a fabric out of it, you should reduce its scale. So let's say this is the perfect scale you were looking for. Just simply press OK. Now you can simply save this file, save as, into any file format, PSD most probably, if you want to use it later, right? And then this is your digital yardage. You can use this digital yardage by mapping into any product, or maybe just using it as is in some other products. So this is it, guys. I just wanted to show you how to create a digital yardage out of a weaving sample. Hope you liked the video. Do hit a share. See you in another video. Take care.